Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert Indian Rupee currency symbol in your document using your keyboard shortcuts. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so by default, there is no shortcut for Indian Rupee currency symbol that looks like this on your keyboard, but there is a way we can go about it. To do this, open your Word document and then head to Insert. From Insert, look for this option called Symbols. Under Symbols, choose More Symbols, and then you want to change the font size to Arial. So I'll go to Arial and then change the subject to currency symbols. So this will list major symbols of currencies around the world, and you should look around for a rupee symbol. As you can see here, it is. However, if you tap on it, don't proceed and tap on insert, because we are interested in creating a keyboard shortcut for this, so that each and every time you want to enter or type this symbol, you won't repeat this process again. Now, to create a shortcut, you need to go to shortcut key here, and then here you can see if you had set any shortcut key, it will be available. We want to set a new one. So for this rupee symbol, I'll use Alt+1. You can set your own preferred shortcut on your keyboard. For my case, I'll use Alt+1. If you wish to use Alt plus any symbol or any letter or number, just use this combination by pressing those keys at once. Once you are done, now click on sign. Now if I close everything here, then go to any document and then just press Alt+1, you can see now I'll be able to insert the rupee currency symbol. So that's how you can insert Indian rupee currency symbol on your document using your computer keyboard shortcuts. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.